We'll guide you through how to save website links in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because saving links in Notion can feel confusing at first. The web clipper works well, but the setup steps are not obvious, and many users are unsure how to create a database for their saved sites. Start by opening your Chrome browser, then move to the search bar at the top and click it so you can type your query. Type Notion Web Clipper into the search bar and press Enter to load the results. When the results appear, look for the option that comes from the Chrome Web Store and select it by left-clicking to open the page. Inside the Chrome Web Store page, press the Add to Chrome button so the browser can prepare the extension. A small window will pop up asking for confirmation, and you should press Add Extension to install it. After the extension finishes installing, open a new tab in your browser. Once the new tab is open, go to the top right corner and click the extension button, which looks like a little puzzle piece. From the list that appears, find Notion Web Clipper and open it. A small menu will show up, and inside it you will see a login button. Press Login so you can sign into your Notion account. Enter your login details to complete the sign-in. When you are done logging in, open another new tab. Go to any website that you want to save into Notion and let the page load fully. After the website is open, click the extension button again at the top right. This time, select Notion Web Clipper from the list. A small window will appear showing options for how you want to save the link. Choose New Links Database so you can save the website inside a new database made for storing links. Inside the menu, you will also see an option for choosing where to save it. Pick the workspace that you want to use for storing the website link. After selecting the workspace, confirm the save so the link is added to your Notion account. Once the link has been saved, open Notion in your browser and go to the workspace you selected earlier. Look for the New Links database you created. Open it, and inside you will see the website link you saved from Chrome.